Hey everyone, Ross here. Today, I'll show you how to generate quotes, invoices, or proposals within monday.com. Let's check it out. Here on our sales pipeline board, we've just moved an opportunity to closed won, so we're ready to send an invoice. To do this from monday.com, simply click open an item and find the Quotes and Invoices app. Once you've added the name of the document and uploaded a logo, you'll need to fill in your company's information on the left side. To save you time, after manually filling in these boxes once, you won't need to do it again for future documents. Next, on the right side, you'll see the Bill To data points. For these fields, you'll need to include information from columns that already exist. Here, we select columns from our Contacts board. That Contacts board is linked to our Sales Pipeline board via the Connect Boards column, which is extremely easy to set up. Back to the invoice. Scroll down a touch and you'll be able to input line items, customizing the name, quantity, and unit price. You can even add in discounts, taxes, or handling costs. But the best part, we'll do all the math for you. Add any relevant notes or bullet points here, and checking this Add Signature box will append a signature line and date line to the bottom of your document. We're looking good. Now it's time to get the invoice in front of the client. From the app, you can click the Send button here to get a shareable link, or simply download the invoice as a PDF to send externally. So there you have it. No more shuffling back and forth between online apps just to get a quote out to a potential customer. Time to strike while the iron is hot. Click here for more on monday.com.